Nĩ Ngahiha irokire kugumira wadi ya game ya muhuro kauntiini ya Siaya kuria aikia kura marokire gucuka miti magicagura MCA wao undu ugomeirwo ni githagathago mahinda kwa mahinda. Ngahiha ici ni icungiriirie nguraro kuri namba matoikaine ya aikia kura kuria ningi Ngaari itanyihiire ikumi imwe ya ciare ya andiki ya muhuro itigitwo ithukangitio ni kuhurwo na mahigo nyiguto ceceni-ini ya guikia kura ya Kambare.
It's a leadership process. Now the whole of people in South Game and the whole world watching this, you can now see the type of leadership that people of South Game are about to experience or not.
Ndugamano ici iria muno ikuruhaniria rumiriria poleka pwanga wa kiama kia ODM na Brian Nyanga uria rugamite ta mundu kiumbe no icungiririe imwe ya Ngaari iria ihorirwo na mahiga kugaragara igitiga aria mauma thiini na nguraro riu githurano giki gikiaga namba nene ya aikia kura.
I personally condemn this because it was an election, it was not a battle, because you can't say you have a stronghold and then you destroy anything that comes around your stronghold. That is not in order.
Wale watu ambao wameweza kuja kupiga kura ni kama 12%, na wale ambao wamekuwa registered kama wapiga kura ni watu 18,560.
Na kuo kauntiini ya Bungoma aikia kura ni magomeire na njira nene wikia wa kura hari gutithania no gukorwo ari center wa kaunti ino giturwa kiria giatigirwo theru thutha wa Moses Wetangula gucagurwo ta speaker wa bunge ya kibũrũri.
Remember, this is a by-election of only one out of the 6 elections in a general election. So the levels of mobilization are likely to be different from a general election.
Naona hakuna kiu yoyote hapa. This is one of the biggest polling stations in this ward with about 1,600 votes. Naona vile inakaa.
Kitaitano kinene kiuma gatagati ka Wafula wa Koli wa kiama kia Ford Kenya, Mwambu Mabonga wa kiama kia UDA na Wafula wa Munyinyi wa kiama kia ODM.
The history of by-elections and politics in that regard. We have truant politicians, political goons who are always mobilized to achieve some expected objectives which we have already seen.
Ukinyiria mathaa ma hwaini na gicunjĩ gitakinyĩte 40% kia aikia kura gikuimĩrĩtie gũikia kura ciao. Handũ-inĩ Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.